Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your weather. We have a little bit of everything for folks. We have in some areas snow, in other areas heavy snow, light snow. We even have sunshine. It just matters where you are around the metro area. Head to the north and west and you'll find blue skies and sunshine. Head to the south and east and you will find certainly clouds and snow and heavy snow at times. So we are calling this a weather impact morning because of that band of snow. Again, the heavy snow falling in the south, both east of the metro area, south of the metro area. We saw some flakes flying and a little bit of a dusting here in the metro area earlier today. Of course, the sun is out, mix of sun and clouds over downtown Denver right now, but still getting that snow, that heavy band of snow stretching across the both eastern plains and down south along I-25. Castle Rock is where I was this morning. And again, yeah, I mean, it was definitely piling up that snow, causing for some tough road conditions, slick conditions on I-25 as well. We saw a couple crashes, several cars off the road. So again, it was a slick driving situation this morning with that band of snow moving through. But let's take you outside right now, out over downtown Denver, where again, a different scene. It just, again, matters where you are. I also wanted to point out I drove in from Boulder this morning and it was clear skies. So got down to Castle Rock and yeah, we were fighting the slick roads and the heavier snow. But again, live over Denver, not bad right now. We're warming up nicely. We're dry. We've got partly cloudy skies. We're at 40 degrees, winds out of the north 13 miles per hour. So again, it is a little bit breezy, but that's about it. We're not talking about anything significant happening here in the metro area. Again, we did see some snow falling. That was about, I'd say about 5 o'clock this morning, snow falling in and around the metro area. So you probably woke up to a little bit of dusting of snow. But again, that threat has moved out. So again, some of the winter weather advisories, we had fairly widespread winter weather advisories earlier today. But again, now they've moved, they've kind of expired out over the south. And we're looking at winter weather advisories. You can see, well, still east of the metro area, a bit south along I-25. You can see all the way down from Palmer Divide south to the New Mexico border. And then you see a bit of a winter storm warning there. And that is due to, that's the northern El Paso County, Monument Ridge area, where we're not going to see too impressive snow amounts. We're looking at maybe 1 to 3 inches of additional accumulation, but the winds are gusting up to 45 miles per hour. So you factor in the snow and the winds, and it causes some blowing snow and reduced visibility, blizzard-like conditions, and that can certainly cause for some slick driving conditions. So winter storm warning in that area in pink that you see there for northern El Paso County. And other than that, we're looking at winter weather advisory that goes until about 2 o'clock. In some areas, it goes until about noon, but we're looking at, until through the afternoon, where we will have some certainly winter driving conditions. Here's a few snow totals. Now, I want to point out, these are from earlier. I've been looking and waiting, not very patiently, for the latest snow totals. Haven't come out yet, but again, this is as of this morning. So we're looking at 3+ inches in Hugo, Lyman, and 2+ inches in Elizabeth and Agate. So again, those will increase as we get the latest snow totals by several inches, at least a couple inches. Here is a picture sent in to us from Keith Schneider of Castle Rock, and I wanted to show this because that's where I was live this morning throughout the show. And again, yeah, the snow certainly piling up. It was piling up on the side streets, making for some slick conditions, even accumulating on I-25, where it was making for some slick, certainly driving conditions. I mean, we were driving slow, 25 miles per hour, because the roads had a sticking snow and slick conditions. Here's a live look at our radar, and you can see that band of snow stretching from the northeast corner of the state all the way down through Trinidad, kind of just following the path of I-25 south of Denver, to the New Mexico border. So we are still getting snow in that area. As for the metro area, really just some clouds moving through. That's about it. And again, you can see Byers, Castle Rock. It's just brushing by Castle Rock, Colorado Springs. Lyman actually getting a bit of a break from the snow right now as this band becomes narrower. And it's going to continue to become narrower as it just kind of dissipates out and moves out. I would say after about 1 o'clock. We're going to put that into motion here in a second with our futurecast. But it looks like after about 1 o'clock, most of that snow moves out of the area. Current temperatures 30s and low 40s across the plains, single digits 20s and 30s up in high country. All right, here is our futurecast. We're going to go ahead and put our forecast into motion here. This is noon, and you can see the band again still stretching from Interstate 76 down east of the metro area to Colorado Springs and then south along I-25. By 1 o'clock, we are looking pretty dry, just some scattered actually rain showers up across the northeast corner of the state. Some isolated snow showers in and around Colorado Springs, snow south of Pueblo, and then it all moves out and we dry out as we head overnight and into tomorrow. So here's a close-up of the metro area. 1 o'clock, we're looking good. Just again, some isolated showers, both a wintry mix, rain showers across the eastern plains, but not expecting much more accumulations when it comes to those isolated showers moving through this afternoon. Your snow forecast totals, again, the higher accumulations, 3 to 6 inches. Down to the south and east of Castle Rock. We're looking at Monument, Black Forest, Lyman. Yeah, certainly going to get some impressive snow totals. We're talking about several inches of snow as before this storm system moves out. So today, again, we are calling it a weather impact day, at least a weather impact morning. Again, most of this activity moving out by noon, certainly by 1 o'clock this afternoon. The snow winds, breezy conditions with those winds out of the northwest to 10 to 25 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy skies, going to make it up to 47 degrees. So actually a few degrees warmer than normal for this time of year, and that's thanks to that sunshine moving in. So forecast highs, we're looking at across the northern plains, temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Of course, Colorado Springs 37, Lyman 34 with that snow band moving through, but still some upper 30s across the southeast corner of the state and 20s and 30s in the mountains. Seasonally chilly, clearing skies tonight. We're going to drop down to about 24 degrees. Forecast lows, we're looking at teens and 20s across the plains. Breezy, much warmer tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies. We're going to warm up 59 degrees, so close to 60 degrees. In fact, we have some 60s in our forecast as we head into the weekend. So for tomorrow, 50s across the plains. We're looking at low to upper 50s across the plains. We have that storm system that brought us the snow, that cutoff low moving off to the east. We have high pressure building in, and that is going to bring us very calm, very mild, but a bit of a breezy weekend. So again, we're clearing tomorrow. That first of all, the weather impact day expires, I'd say around noon today. And again, some of those winter advisories staying until about 2 o'clock. But I think most of the snow and the impactful snow will have stopped by noon. Clearing skies, we've got some sunshine tomorrow. We're going to warm up to 59 degrees. We're looking at highs in the 60s for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, both expect some breezy conditions on those days, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. But that's about it. So breezy conditions, but still quite warm with highs getting up there in the low to mid 60s. Tuesday, 58. Wednesday, we could have some changes. Models totally differing on this. There is a cold, another Arctic air mass, really, that is going to be to the north of us. Some models show it digging in, some models showing it staying well to the north. So depending on exactly how far south that air mass gets will certainly depend on our temperatures. Some models have us topping out in the 30s in the in the metro area. Others have us topping out in the 50s. So again, we're going to keep our eye on this Arctic air mass. For now, it's looking like we should stay somewhat mild, but we'll keep our eye out. As for the snow, again, ending today around noon, 1 o'clock. So we are drawing to an end the weather impact day. That is a quick look at your weather on this Thursday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.